We talk a lot about herbs and consuming them internally, but did you know that many herbs are great for topical use on your skin? Let's go over 4 herbs that are top-notch for topical use. Let's talk about calendula. Calendula is an annual flower that easily self-seeds. It has beautiful yellow and orange flowers and attracts many bees on our homestead. It is easy to grow and you can harvest the flowers many times throughout the summer and the fall months. It is great for wound healing and bruising because it is an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it is great at keeping infections at bay. I usually apply this by either making a tea and soaking a clean rag in it to apply to the skin, or by making a poultice, or by making an herbal oil, or by making an herbal salve. The next herb I would like to discuss is comfrey. Comfrey is a perennial herb that will spread easily by seed or by roots. It has beautiful purple flowers with giant green leaves. It contains allotonin, which helps internally and externally to aid in tissue regeneration. Surprisingly, it not only helps the skin, but it also helps broken bones because of the allotonin that's in it. The one thing to keep in mind with comfrey is to never ever use it on deep cuts or puncture wounds. You want to make sure that the wound heals from the inside out, but because comfrey heals so quickly, it may heal the outside before the inside is completely healed. So just make sure to avoid comfrey with deep cuts. Yarrow is another astonishing topical use herb. It is an easy to grow perennial. Historically, yarrow is famous for its antimicrobial and blood-stopping properties. Did you know that soldiers marching off into war prior to World War II would pack their pockets full of yarrow because they knew just how amazing it worked at stopping bleeding? Last on the list today, but certainly not the least, is plantain. And let me tell you, it grows everywhere. It is a low-growing, easy-to-forage perennial. It is known to many as an obnoxious weed. However, it is nothing but a powerful tool in your wound care arsenal. It makes a great poultice for bites and or stings because it has a drawing effect that pulls things out like poisons, venom, and splinters. While there is a place for internal herbs, using herbs externally usually brings results faster for particular ailments such as wounds or stings. Try these herbs out. I bet you at least have 1 or 2 growing in your yard and you don't even realize it. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.